Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I did something to my hair and I'm just like praying that I don't regret it. So I left a rice water deep conditioner in my hair for about 2 to 3 days just to see if it'll fix my hair, because y'all saw my hair was shedding really bad. But some people were saying that it's just that it was just resting hair and there was just not a lot of shedding. That was just normal. But then some people were saying, girl, you could have rice water. You could have protein overload. So honestly, it could be, I don't know. To me, it was a lot of hair, but some people were saying that it didn't look like that much hair to them. And a few people did say that it could be possibly protein overload. So what I did was I left this rice water deep conditioner in my hair for 3 days to see if it'll fix my damaged hair. But I did check, and there is no protein in this deep conditioner, or at least that's what it said on the packet. But then at the same time, there was a lot of words on there that I could not pronounce, so I don't know if it's another word for protein or not. So I don't know. We're gonna see if this was a good idea or a bad idea. But the packet, it didn't say protein anywhere on it, so I hope there was no protein on there. And if so, and if I'm suffering from protein overload, it's gonna make it way worse, huh? It's gonna make it way worse. Now I'm scared. But yeah, so I left this in my hair for a few days, but I did go ahead and add that second package to my hair today, and I've had it in my hair for about maybe about 3 hours. So yeah, we're gonna see what my hair looks like first with it in my hair. We're gonna see if the shedding is still really bad. When I did apply it to my hair, it wasn't shedding like a ton. It was about probably half the amount of shedding that I experienced the first day. And to me, that's still a lot of shedding. And I don't know if that's due to the texturizer or what, but I feel like my hair is shedding a lot, and I don't know how I feel about it. So we're going to take this off, and we're going to see what my hair is twerking with. It feels nice and warm in there, so we're going to see what's going on. Let me see. Y'all already know what Y'all already know what the conditioner I use, because I did show it in the previous video. But I'll insert a picture right here of the deep conditioner that I used. Y'all, I'm kind of scared. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get the thumbnail. I'm probably going to edit this out. I hope I edit this out. In my last video, I thought I edited out the part that I was getting the thumbnail, but I didn't. So I'm sorry. But I'm getting the thumbnail, y'all. So hopefully I edit this out. And if I don't, I do apologize. I'm sorry. Alright. That's going to have to be part of the thumbnail, because I'm sure that's not going to be all of it. But let's see what my hair is looking like. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my phone. Y'all should know by now. But if you don't, I'm looking at my phone to see what everything looking like. But let's see. But this is what it looks like with the conditioner in it. I know once I rinse it out, y'all, this conditioner smells so good. Like, this deep conditioner smells really, really good. It says it has sunflower seed oil and rice water essence, whatever that means. Yeah. But also, I didn't see inositol in the ingredients, so I don't know what essence of the rice water that it's using, but I just know that it got rice water essence in it. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like with it in. I'm gonna give y'all a quick 360. Not like you care, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Let me slide back over to the center of the video. So this is what my hair is looking like with this in it. Yeah, it's frizzy, I know, but way easier to maintain for me with this texturizer and all that stuff. But I mean, you can see the damage a little bit in the front, but it kind of just gets blended over with the rest of my hair. Because it's only damaged really on the side parts. You can see it like that, but whenever like I put hair over it, you can't really tell. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not trying to look at the phone the whole time, but I'm just trying to at least see what I'm doing. Because I don't have a viewfinder or anything. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like with the conditioner in it. Let's see if any hair comes out. I'm so scared. Let's see. Okay, that's not much. I mean, that's still a lot. What do y'all think is going on with my hair right here? Like, it's not a ton, but it's still like a lot to me. Especially since it's been a few days and I was experiencing that much shedding. So, from each side, it's about this much. Can y'all see that? Yeah. It's about that much from each side. I am about to go rinse it out really quickly and just, you know, see what my curl. Okay, cool. See what my curls. Not much. It was like a few strands that time, so I'm actually satisfied with that. But I'm gonna go rinse it out and see what it does to my hair. It feels more fragile, but I do know, like, I touched my hair yesterday with this deep conditioner in it, and it felt softer already, so I'm very satisfied with that. It felt way softer. So far it feels good. It smells amazing, y'all. This stuff smells so good. I haven't combed it out with any type of brushes or combs or anything, because I typically don't comb my hair with brushes. I usually will just finger detangle. And honestly, with the amount of shedding that I'm experiencing right now, I don't even feel comfortable combing out my hair. If we're being honest, I don't even feel comfortable combing my hair right now because I'm scared that's just gonna make more hair loss, and I'm concerned. I'm concerned about that. Alright, let's see. Here I am trying to get another picture for the thumbnail. I'm sorry, y'all. Honestly though, it smells so good. Alright, at this point I don't know what I'm doing. So let me go ahead and rinse this out of my hair. And I'm kind of debating on if I want to do a wash and go or if I want to go ahead and put it back in the braids. And here's my reasoning. I want to put it in the braids in some cornrows just to kind of let it grow. But I also want to figure out why it's shedding. I don't want to just put it in the braids and then when I take the braids out, I'm just experiencing so much shedding. I'm a little concerned about that. But some of y'all said that it wasn't a lot of shedding. Like, y'all just said it was resting hair from it being in the braids. And that might be the truth. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but whenever I lose hair or like shed hair, I just feel like, what is going on? Why is my hair shedding? Why is it coming out? What is happening? But yeah, that's just where I'm at right now. I might go ahead and just do a wash and go though, but I don't really want to use this extreme line gel. That's the only gel that I have at the moment, and I don't really want to use it. So I might have to go to the store and get some Eco Styler gel, because that's honestly the best gel that works the best for me and my hair. At this point I just feel like I'm rambling, but that reminded me. So I think I'm gonna start doing like topics, like when I start filming videos, just having topics, like real life topics of like real life situations. I kind of want to make my channel just somewhere people can go to kind of talk about, you know, what they're going through and just have like a support system. That's kind of an idea that I've thought of today, and I'm just kind of thinking about it, like that would be kind of cool to do. So what do y'all think about that? Just kind of like bringing up topics of like experiences you've been through, or, you know, just life struggles that you're going through, and just having like a safe place to talk about them, even like in the comments, and then I'll read the comments, and in the next video we kind of talk about it in the next video, things like that. I don't know. I just want to I don't know, bring like have a community type of feeling or feel to my channel. I don't know. But that's just kind of where I'm at right now. But anyway, let me go ahead and rinse this out of my hair, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm finished rinsing this out, and then I'll probably style it in another video. I just wanted to kind of come and check on my hair and see exactly what was going on with it, because I did leave this conditioner in for a while. And yeah, I was a little concerned, and I wanted to at least do it on camera. So if I was concerned, y'all could see what's going on with me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and then I'll come back to you guys, and then we'll take it from there. All right, guys. Let's see. I honestly don't know what I'm expecting it to look like, but I just rinsed it out. What does this look like? What's going on here? Looks dry. It looks very dry. I don't really know. I don't really know what I was expecting, but this is what we got. And honestly, I'm just about, I don't know, it looks so short. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just probably about to just put some of the Jane Carter Solution Curl Cocktail Conditioning Styling Cream in it. And from here, whoa, there's a lot less in here than I thought. Anyway, from here, I'm just going to probably put it in a wash and go style, or put it in a low ponytail, depending on how I feel, because all that gel that I have to do or put in my hair, I'm kind of thinking twice about it. I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what's going on with my hair. It is shedding less, but it is still shedding. We got a strand there. Yeah, my hair is still definitely shedding. This is like very stressful to me. I don't know what's going on here. It's very hard to learn what to do with your natural hair. I'm not even gonna lie. This is a whole situation here. But yeah, this is what's going on with my hair now. And in the next video, I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be something, okay? It's gonna be something. My hair definitely does feel shorter. I don't know, like, what's happening? Oh, it is shorter. Oh wait, no, it still got a little length to it, but it's not as long as it was. So we got a whole nother process to go through to kind of get my length and everything back. We got a whole journey. So I guess if you guys want to stay tuned, you definitely can. Oh gosh. I want to say thank you guys. I don't know even what the point of this video was, but just to kind of update you guys on this situation here. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already as well, so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. And thank you guys again so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.